Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Christmas is the perfect time to get creative with your home decorations, fulfilling your space with festive cheer and warmth. Easy do-it-yourself Christmas decoration ideas allow you to personalize your home with handcrafted ornaments, wreaths, and centerpieces from elegant holiday garlands to charming Christmas crafts. These are endless ways to add a personal touch to your festive decoration. Use natural materials like facades and barriers for a rustic feel, or go for a modern minimalist look with a metallic accents. Whether you're decorating a small apartment or a large family home, these simple yet beautiful ideas can help you create a magical Christmas atmosphere. Personalized stockings, homemade advent calendars, or unique table settings can make your holiday decoration stand out. With the right creative touch, your home will feel cozy and ready for the holiday season. Thanks for watching. Must subscribe and like Interior Design channel.